Okay, welcome back guys. So we're going to be creating a loading screen today. This is going to be a very quick tutorial. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to create something like this for your Sims 4 loading. So the things that you are going to need to do this, to create the loading screen, is two applications basically called S4PE, the JPEG decompiler, obviously the Sims 4 base game, and then another free application which is actually Canva, which you can find online. I will provide the links to all of them below in the comment section. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just know where your Sims 4 mods folder is going to be. On my computer, which I'm using a Windows, it's typically in my documents folder. Then I click on electronic arts, then I click Sims 4, then I click the mods folder, and all my CC and different kind of things will be here basically. For me personally, I put my loading screen in my cast background folder. That's completely optional, but that's what I do. But in general, the main folder is literally documents, electronic arts, the Sims 4, then your mods folder. So now we know where our mods folder is. We're going to go and actually pick an image that we want to be the loading screen for our Sims 4 game. The new image that I want basically is actually here. I put it on my desktop just so it's easier to locate. So this is the image that I want as the loading screen, the new loading screen for my Sims. So the next thing you want to do is locate your S4PE folder. I'll drop a link below of how to actually get the application, but in this tutorial this is just showing you how to compile everything and import it into your game. So I will show you where I've located my S4PE folder, which is actually in my documents. So I will click on S4PE and then I will open my application. And this is what it should look like. As I said, things can change. At the point of this tutorial, this is what the interface looks like for S4PE, but things can change. So the next thing you want to do is click File, then click Open. So I'm going to actually use this template because I use it for editing. So hey guys, this is future me here, just giving you a little update because some things have changed when I was editing this video. So what we're going to do is I've created a new template package loading screen. I'll also attach that in the same area that I've uploaded the last package. This is the actual name of it. And it loads it up here, so you'll find that the tag is GFX. Once you have it here, you right click on the file, then you go down to export, then you export to file, and then export in the desired area. If your desktop's clear, put it on your desktop so you can find it, and click save. So it will export it to your desktop. And you can see the little icon comes up here. So the next thing you want to do is type in your search bar, or if you have the application pinned, type JPEG or JPE and the free flash decompiler comes up. Once again, I will provide a link of where you can download it, but I'm just literally showing you how you put things together for this anyway. And it also is just telling you that this is a new version if I want to update. I don't want to update right now, so I'll just close this. So hey guys, this is future me here, just giving you a little update. So what I've done is the same steps that I've shown you before. I've exported it to a GFX file, and then what I've done is open it up in our JPEXS free flash decompiler, but it's the same process. So what we do is that here's the file exported, and then we go down to images, and what's different here is that you've got a whole set of templates which is part of the game's loading basically, but what we're looking for specific is the one that we've edited. So the one that I've edited as a template loading screen, this is the template image. So what I would advise you do is that once you open image and you've got all these lists, you go to the image, and I'm going to actually have the template, replace this image with the template image. So you'll see what I'm doing here. You click on this file, desired image, this could be any type of image, and then you place, and then you go to the place where you've saved the new image, basically the one that you want for your loading screen. So for me, I'm going to go back to my downloads folder. This is the template, so that's here, and then I've clicked on it and it's replaced the image. You click save, it will flash, or at least the save icon basically will stop being highlighted. I like to save it twice. That's just me, you don't have to. And then once you've done that, you go back into the next step, which I'm going to explain to you in a second. Just a side note, What I advise with most of these images is that it is the size of 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. You can use Canva to rescale it. You can also use other software like Photoshop and whatnot to rescale it as well, but not everybody has Photoshop. So I find the easiest way of rescaling images is via Canva. So now we're back using the S4PE application. So now what you're going to want to do is import the file. So now we're going to click File, Import, Import from File. It'll ask you to locate the file, which is on our desktop. Click Open. Don't worry about this, just double check your settings are looking like this and then click OK. Then what it will do, you'll see it cross out this top one and have a new file at the bottom because it's saying, okay, we've now replaced it and it has some of the values are different. So then what you want to do is File and then just click Save and wait for it to save. So now we're going to go back to where I found my template file. I'm going to copy the file. I'm going to go back to my mods folder. Let's navigate back to my mods folder. What I'm going to do is place the package file in here. It's okay for now, I'm having that template name there, just because I want to check that it's all loaded first before updating the name. I'm going to take this one out because this was the one that you saw at the start of the tutorial, because I don't want it to be there anymore. It will crash if you have both of them there. So I'm going to move that there, leave the template in here, and then we're going to load up our game. And as you can see, our loading screen has reloaded and it's updated correctly. And that is literally how we do it, guys. If you like the video, like, subscribe, all that goodness. I hope it was helpful. If you do have any queries or questions, drop it in the comments below and I will answer them and help you out as much as I can. But I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I'll speak to you in a bit, guys. Bye!